Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Sid, aka Vicious274, and we're here at the first annual King of the Curb hosted by Joy Cult. Let's go check it out.
Oh, fucking car.
There you go. Come on. Right here, Funny. Don got that long sleeve? Yeah. It's nice, eh? Yeah, it is.
You know what trick I'm going for?
Every day possible.
Yeah. Nice, dude.
I will go kick the back to you. Good game. Nice, man. Yeah.
We actually left on the first part one time and we got it off.
What are you up to? Anything exciting?
There you go, you did it though. Front blunt. Front blunt.
There was just a story.
Oh yeah, you're right.
There was a bunch of different stories going on.
They were pretty.
They were pretty.
There you go. Oh. I like that one. I like that one. Yes. Nice. Nice, dude. Mega Park.
Hey,
I want to do hold on. Sorry, guys. Let me just come down.
yeah, he's in Zach. Yeah. So I did one more. Good. God, I'm gonna go to some fucking.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Well, that happened by accident.
Is that how you won? By accident? Yeah.
Oh, that's close enough. That's fine. I thought you meant it was just like...
Well, there it is, guys. King of the Curb #1 is in the history books, and it was phenomenal. It was so much fun. Matt, thanks for organizing such an awesome event and for your hospitality. It was a great weekend. The whole idea of having it at an outdoor skate park just changed the whole feel of the event. I don't know how to explain it. I mean, we had skateboarders coming up and, you know, and asking us questions, what's this all about. Some of them even asked how they can get into it. And yeah, it was really cool. We even had people come from, you know, all over Canada. Bert from Five Luck, he's from Saskatchewan. He came. A couple of his team members, I believe one of his team members is from Alberta. He came. Ryan, my boy that I've met through these events, came all the way from Pittsburgh. And of course, Mike came from Massachusetts with Shane. And it was, I'm not gonna lie, man, it was an awesome event. Yeah, so again, dude, if you can make it to the next King of the Curb, I would highly, highly, highly recommend it. And again, Matt, thanks again for doing what you do for the community. The events you host are also always super dope. And King of the Curb, I have to admit, it's going to be a tough one to beat, man. But again, guys, if you guys can make it to a King of the Curb, highly recommend it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and keep fingerboarding. 2 fingers, peace.